So, like we actually said yesterday, we did analysis on gold, and I told you that gold will be giving us a bearish move for it. That's what gold did. Eventually give us. This was a bearish move. It's waiting for the day. You can see markets eventually open and close. Now for Tuesday that we are predicting for, we're expecting gold to actually give us. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you make your comments and follow the Telegram also. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is our trend on gold. You can see it right here on our 4-hour time frame. We are in a downtrend move. So have it in mind that gold will give us so much drop and we take out this low. So if you are not yet in the sell, you can actually go in for the sell, because with this moment right here, the market is able to just take out this low. That is about 360, 380 pips. So once you can go in for the sell on your gold, you would actually grab the potential 360 pips movements. Pips, by the way, that is what I want you to know. Because if you take a look at this, to be your lower low, and here is your lower high. This is also your lower low. Here is the lower high. This is the lower low, and now this is the lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, the next movement that gold will likely give us for the day is another drop that we want from a new lower low, by taking out this low. So guys, we are going to be anticipating for a drop for the day that will take out this low, thereby forming a lower low for you guys. Bearish move for the day I'm going to be expecting for gold. Now let's go down to the 1 hour time. So you can see it right. It's right here. Right. So one more drop, but we are going to be expecting now. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the update and make sure I let you guys to know. Make sure you subscribe in order for you